Are you looking for ways to make money online but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 real and beginner-friendly ways to earn money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods are proven and accessible. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with freelancing. Look, in the past, freelancing might have seemed like this unstable thing, but trust me, it's absolutely exploded in recent years. It's all about selling your skills directly to clients. No boss, no commute, just you and your expertise. And the beauty of it is, there's a huge demand for freelancers right now. Think about it. Businesses need websites, they need marketing materials, they need content, and they're turning to skilled freelancers like you to get it done. So what skills can you actually freelance? Well, if you can write a decent sentence, you can be a freelance writer. If you've got an eye for design, graphic design is booming. Good with code, programming is a gold mine. And even managing social media is a valuable skill businesses will pay for. Now to get started, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are your best friends. These are like online marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients from all over the world. The key is to create a killer profile. Don't be shy, show off your skills, highlight your experience, and make yourself stand out from the crowd. My advice when you're starting out? Don't be afraid to take on smaller projects even if the pay isn't amazing. The goal here is to build up your reputation, get those 5-star reviews, and show potential clients what you're capable of. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can start charging more for your services, eventually turning this into a full-time income stream, or even scaling it into a full-blown agency. Now let's talk about a method that has some serious passive income potential: selling digital products. This is the beauty of the internet, guys. Create something once and you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. That's right, no shipping costs, no inventory to manage, just pure digital goodness. So, what kind of digital products can you actually sell? Well, if you're a whiz with words, writing an ebook on a topic you're passionate about could be your ticket. Design skills? Create templates, printables, or even social media graphics that people can download and use. Got a knack for teaching? Online courses are exploding right now, and setting up shop is easier than you think. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable are specifically designed to help creators like you sell digital products. They handle the payment processing, the delivery, everything. Your job is to create amazing content and get it in front of the right people. Now here's the thing about digital products: you're not limited by geography. You could be sitting at home in your pajamas and selling to someone on the other side of the world. The key here is to identify a need in the market. What problems are people facing? What solutions can you provide? If you can create a digital product that genuinely helps people, you're onto a winner. Alright, now let's move on to a method that's all about leverage affiliate marketing. This is where you get to partner with other businesses and earn a commission for every sale you drive their way. It's like being a brand ambassador, but with the potential for some serious passive income. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, you get a unique affiliate link, and then you start promoting products or services you believe in. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, boom, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate marketing is that you need a massive audience to be successful. But that's not true at all. You can start small, even with just a social media account or a personal blog. The key is to build trust with your audience. Don't just promote anything and everything. Focus on products and services that you genuinely believe in, and that would actually benefit your followers. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. These platforms give you access to thousands of products and services that you can start promoting right away. The key is to choose products that align with your niche and that your audience would be genuinely interested in.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I
got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the
Or promise unrealistic earnings. Alright, let's wrap things up with a method that's perfect for creative entrepreneurs: print on demand. This is a business model where you can sell custom-designed products without having to worry about inventory, production, or shipping. It's like having your own online store, but without all the hassle. Here's how it works. You create a design, you upload it to a print-on-demand platform, and then they handle everything else. When someone orders your product, they print it, package it, and ship it directly to the customer. You don't have to lift a finger except to collect your profits. One of the best things about print on demand is the sheer variety of products you can sell. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it, you can probably sell it with your own custom design. And the design process is easier than you think. You don't need to be a graphic design pro to create eye-catching designs. Platforms like Canva offer tons of templates, graphics, and fonts that you can use to get started. Now, when it comes to selling your print-on-demand products, you've got a few options. You can set up your own online store using platforms like Shopify, or you can sell through marketplaces like Etsy. You can even promote your products on social media, or through paid advertising. The key is to get your designs in front of the right audience and make it easy for them to buy. And there you have it. 5 real ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you choose freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, online surveys, or print on demand, the key is to take action and stay consistent. Remember, building an online income takes time, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.